Hi, good morning. So I woke up at 12. Today is my so-called birthday. Doing nothing, shower भी नहीं लिया है. Or now I am going to some Korean restaurant. I have decided with Shreya. I hope I'll get some vegetarian food in the restaurant because I don't eat non-veg. And else I wanted to try soju, but nowhere, none of any restaurant serve soju in Bangalore. So it's okay. We'll adjust with the food and then we'll go to some good place. Else my roommate is looking at me, embarrassing me. She's making me laugh. Okay, I'll go, take a shower, we'll come back, then we'll record. Let me get ready. Hi, welcome back. I just took a shower and head wash तो नहीं किया मैंने. I just took a shower, changed my clothes. Now I'll get ready, put on a little bit of makeup, I guess. What else? That's it. I'm so excited. I'll meet Shreya after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I'm meeting her, and we are going to a Korean restaurant. The name, I'll tell you. What was the name? I forgot it. Wait. It's Hai Kum Gang. The restaurant name is Hai Kum Gang. We are going there. It's near somewhere near MG Road. I don't know. So okay, guys. Let me put on my makeup. Let me get ready, and then we'll talk. Bye. Hi. So I took the shower. I got ready, and I'm waiting for the cab. Let's the cab come. And then we are going to the restaurant, Ham Kai Gang, something like that. Okay, it's okay. I just know one word in Korean. That is Ayongseyo. Let's go. So that's how I look alike. Ignore my mess, ignore the dirty room. They are so messy. Not my roommate, only I am messy. So that's it. Bye. So here I am in the car, finally going out after a long time. I hope I like the Korean food. I am not sure about the food. How it will be. Let's see. So this is the first time we are going to a Korean restaurant. I have never been in any Korean restaurant. मैंने Korean try भी नहीं किया. Just have seen Korean food in some, what we call it, web series or like that. So I'm excited. This is the first time I'm going for the Korean. I'm a vegetarian, so I don't know veg में क्या होता है Korean में. वहाँ जाके पता चलेगा what I'm going to eat. Kimchi, for sure I'm going to eat kimchi. Let's see how does it taste like. So here we are at Hai Kum Gang. This is how it looks like from the ground floor. We'll need to go on the second floor. This restaurant is available on the second floor. I'll wait for the Shreya here. She's calling me. I'll wait for her. Then we'll go together. So here she comes. कितनी देर लेट हो?
10 minutes.
She is half an hour late or wait 10 minutes more. So okay, here we are going to the Hai Kumgang. That's on the second floor. Okay, this is the timing. You can try. I don't know how the food will be.
And we don't know if there's vegetarian or no.
No, it's written. See, veg and non-veg. Okay, here we are. Let's go on the second floor.
Hi guys. So yeah,
I can't breathe.
We are wearing green.
Green. We are matching olive green, and mine is a little lighter, but we both are wearing almost same colors.
Yeah.
So, yay! Okay, this is some puja. I don't know what you guys call it. So here we are. This is the Korean restaurant. Hi Kumgung. I'll sit and I'll order. Then I'll re-record the video. So here I am inside the Korean restaurant. Or
There's no veg at all.
I don't know. We'll check the menu. अभी मैंने देखा नहीं है. She's keep on checking the menu. I'll check. Let me show you the restaurant.
And there's no
Herbivores कैसे बोल रही है?
herbivorous and there's no. This is only carnivorous food here. What's happening with this?
So this is the Korean restaurant and this is the menu. I'll check. What do you call it? This is some mandu, some. What is this? Is this some veg? Well, then chicken and pork. I don't eat chicken and pork. Kimchi. This is kimchi. I will try kimchi. Kimchi pancake. We will try. So this is how a Korean food looks like. You can get almost everything in 400 to 500 bucks. I guess this is almost the prices are here. I'll ask them what they have in a veg, or else I need to check everything. It's really hectic to eat something in a veg. They don't serve.
For herbivorous here.
Okay, there is no soju. There is no soju, no soju, no soju, no soju. Ah, okay, I'll ask them.
So birthday girl is here, checking out.
This so-called menu.
Yeah.
I'm not able to find any veg. Like, submit chicken, pork, chicken, pork.
Beef.
Okay, beef. So I don't know. You are okay.
Ambience is good. And here is a birthday girl.
Shreya, so this is here chopsticks. You know how to eat with these? She'll teach me.
Figure it out. Google कर ले bro. YouTube कर ले.
So उसे नहीं पता है कैसे खाते हैं. सोडा जाए मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता है. I just try to figure it out कैसे खाते हैं. ऐसा कुछ तो These guys gonna kick us. ऐसा कुछ तो पकड़ते क्या करते हैं.
YouTube कर ले bro.
I'm going to YouTube this. I got it. YouTube बहुत जरूरी है जिंदगी में. हम खाना नहीं
So don't forget to subscribe because we are going to do tutorial video very soon.
For
तो मेरे बाल तो बहुत खराब दिख रहे हैं.
नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. पता नहीं खाएं अभी खाना आने तो फिर ट्राई करेंगे. We will until that we will take it rest. So this is the first time we both are coming to a Korean restaurant, meeting my all Korean fantasies with Shreya. कुछ नहीं पता है मेरे Korean fantasies. We only know Ayongfeo and Samanida.
And Korean guys are very hot.
Yeah. You can drop any Korean guy in the comment section. We can meet them if he's in Bangalore.
Yeah, and also to date.
She's ready to date a Korean guy. Okay. I just met with one Korean guy. He just crossed me from this side and I was like, Korean.
Nepali था.
No, that was not Nepali. That was Korean. He was talking. Stop. She's afraid of people. Everybody's looking at us. What we shitty guys are doing in the restaurant. So these people have served some food. हमें नहीं पता वो क्या है. How to eat them? कुछ नहीं पता है. ओह शी गॉट इट। उसका हाथ पे प्रेशर देखो कितना डाल रही है वो। ओके आई विल ट्राई। So this is the food. I don't know what we call it. It looks so good. I don't know taste कैसा होगा. Something like this.
ट्राई करना वो। That's how you use chopstick. स्पून से खा ले ब्रो, तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा। How does it taste? How does it taste?
It tastes. What you call it?
What you call it? मेरे को क्या पता?
फूल गोभी जैसा कुछ।
Okay guys, so Desi people in Videsi restaurant. Look who's struggling. Oh my god. उडुपी रेस्टोरेंट चले जाते थे हम लोग.
Finally I got it.
And there's some sushi over here. How does it taste?
Super spicy dishes.
God save us. R.I.P. us.
Oh, finally she learned how to eat with this. और पता है, look at her learning. नीचे देख.
Oh shit.
Use the tissue. Put on that. Okay, we ordered some rice cake, something like that. I don't know. They have this. Oh sorry, this is some liquid. I don't know किसके खाते हैं, कैसे खाते हैं इसको. We have zero idea how to eat these things. हम लोग बस मुंह उठा के आ गए. So I just tried this. Okay, I learned how to use the chopsticks. These are something like this. और कुछ soya sauce जैसा कुछ है. Some sauce. This is ना boiled आलू है ये. Boiled आलू in this sauce. See. This is आलू. With the cover भी इसके साथ ही है. छीला नहीं इसको. इतनी मेहनत कौन करेगा? Look how much she's struggling.
बस भेज दो.
वो निकाल वो आलू है. It's आलू. Nothing.
20 रुपए का हम लोग बस.
We are getting this for $500. This is how stupid we guys are. It's okay.
खुद का पैसे नहीं है ना, इसलिए बाप का पैसे उड़ा रहे हम लोग.
So
This looks so ugly. Chee.
eat na. She should have used some. Okay, I learned. So I'll eat this with this soya sauce or something.
Tastes like बोंडा.
What?
बोंडा.
What is that? मैं नहीं खाई.
लाडू बोंडा.
कुछ नया नया बता रही है. We even ordered the ramen. It's under cooking. We are so excited for the ramen. It's good.
क्योंकि हमारे घरों में तो पेड़ में ये तो मजा है ब्रो. बहुत चिल्लर लगेगा.
So, Korean food is nice. Kimchi is okay. It's quite bitter. What can I call it? I don't know. How does it taste like? See, she's eating kimchi. I guess kimchi is good with rice. With rice. We didn't order the kimchi with rice. We ordered kimchi with this. She's so confused what we ordered. So nice. So getting this, I'll eat this with this sauce, whatever the sauce you call it.
How's your birthday lunch? How's your birthday lunch?
So it's my birthday lunch.
Look at this. What is this?
She is eating like hell.
What is this?
Patta gobi. What she did? Shit.
सीधा खाना डस्टबिन में जाएगा ये.
You know how to hold this now?
Yeah.
गलती से होल्ड की?
नहीं 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 आ रहा है वो सॉरी
गलती से हुआ था।
नहीं यार आई नो कोरियन पिछले जन्म में मैं कोरियन थी
सम पार्ट ऑफ अस ना कोरिया में था, पक्का पता है। पक्का। तभी मेरे को कोरियन से ऑब्सेशन होता जा रहा है। आई शुड ईट दिस पैनकेक।
बस यही कंफ्यूज है लड़की के नॉर्थ कोरिया से कि साउथ कोरिया से।
नहीं नहीं, आई वाज इन फ्रॉम साउथ कोरिया, आई वाजंट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ कोरिया।
मैं तो नॉर्थ कोरिया से थी।
सो दिस इज समथिंग इन fucking hold this, bro. Eat. She's eating like an animal.
एनिमल हो गया हम लोग।
I'm good with chopsticks. First time I'm trying chopsticks. It's good. It's easy. It's cute. Jaldi se, I'll put a tutorial how to hold chopsticks and how to eat through that.
And don't
When I'll
forget
be-
to subscribe that.
And
Sorry, like that.
don't forget to like that. See, I hold it. I'll show you. This is chopsticks. So you need to have this as a solid. Put it in, और ऊपर वाले से you need to put it like एकदम इसको पकड़ लो. Then put this into sauce. Come back. Cute and easy, right? श्रेया को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. I don't know about you guys.
अगर आपके पास घर पे ब्रूमस्टिक है तो दो लेके इसे प्रैक्टिस करो क्योंकि बेइज्जती ना हो जैसे रेस्टोरेंट पे आके।
हमारा बेइज्जती हो चुका है पूरी तरीके से. So here our ramen comes. She's going to eat this ramen.
मैगी
This is not Maggie, this is ramen.
मैगी
Oh, she know how to use chopstick now. Oh, bro. She's always messy, man.
जस्ट लाइक अभी
No, I'm not like her.
बहुत गर्म है अंदर चली गया।
उसको बहुत गरम लग रहा है. इसको नहीं पता. We should eat ramen with the spicy.
मशरूम why bro why
बस तेरे मुंह पे लग गया. Sorry. Okay, we will let it get some cool. उसके बाद हम खाएंगे. She is capturing everything. हम लोग पानी नहीं पिया. आने के बाद से पानी रो रहे थे और हम लोग पानी भरे तक नहीं है क्लास में. We're so excited. So I loved this thing. I don't know what we call this and this thing. Oh, हमारा kimchi pancake. This is kimchi pancake. ये सब नहीं बस हो गया. ये सब एक्स्ट्रा फूड था, हमने ऑर्डर नहीं किया था. दिस इज किमची पैनकेक वी ऑर्डर्ड. दिस इज बिम्बप kimchi pancake, bimbap, ramen. We ordered 3 dishes. Okay, it looks like a pizza. I'll try. How does it taste like? So I am trying this. Bro.
तो स्टोरी क्यों दे दे अभी डिलीट करना पड़ेगा।
To try this, what do you call it? Kimchi pancake. Let's going to taste. I'm going to taste the first kimchi pancake of my life. Let's see how does it taste like. You know, probably I should eat this with hands. वो मेरे लिए easy होगा.
सच में मैं भी वही सोच रही थी। Guys,
It doesn't taste anything. Bro, it tastes like nothing.
what? क्या बोल रहे हो तुम?
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा ये क्या टेस्ट है. क्या है ये? What is this? I'll try this.
This is ramen kimchi. How does it taste?
Tastes like nothing. पता है कैसा लग रहा है? What we call it? बेसन के चीले खाते हैं ना हम, वैसा टेस्ट लग रहा है। चीले विद सम पत्ता गोभी। साला हर जगह पत्ता गोभी है यहाँ, हर चीज में पत्ता गोभी डाले लोग। फिर टेस्ट लाइक अ पत्ता गोभी वाला चीला। दैट्स व्हाट दे कॉल इट, किमची पैनकेक। शॉर्ट में बताती हूँ, पत्ता गोभी वाला चीला। Okay, so I'll finish with the food and then we'll get back. So I will try this ramen first time. This is so hot. बहुत लिक्विड ही है यार।
यही बोल रही हूँ।
हमारा मैगी तो ड्राई होता है।
ये तो दुबई स्टूप पे।
मैगी ज़्यादा स्पाइसी होता है रामेन से, लेट मी टेल यू गाइस।
कुछ नहीं।
हाँ, मैं तो इसे ज़्यादा स्पाइसी बनाती हूँ। इट लुक्स लाइक मैगी में बहुत सारा पानी है। शी इज ईटिंग दिस, शी लाइक दिस। हाँ बता, कैसा लग रहा है?
इसको ना अचार और दही के साथ खाना पड़ेगा, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। माय गॉड, सच में।
देसी पीपल इन विदेशी रेस्टोरेंट भी लाइक अचार और दही इज मैंडेटरी। ठूस रही है वो मुंह में। हाथ से लेके वो मुंह में ठूस ले।
नहीं, हम तो मरेंगे बिना खाना, लेकिन चॉपस्टिक नहीं छोड़ेंगे, सीख के जाएंगे आज।
She's trying to eat ramen. Kaka.
Guys, we can do this.
She's fighting up with rice. बहुत देर हो गई। Going to get the ले ले मुंह में ले ले। अंदर तो ले उसने।
Maggie.
I'm not voting for ramen. Vote for Maggie. Hashtag vote for Maggie.
शायद ये भी 2 मिनट में बन जाता है ना?
हाँ,
2 मिनट में बन जाता है। 500 मैगी मत भेजो। आप रोड साइड में मैगी बेचते हो तो मत भेजो, रामेन मत बेचो।
नाम कूल लगता है ना, टेस्ट तो रामेन का नहीं है तो अच्छा मैगी का है। पर नाम के लिए दुनिया क्या नहीं करती। हम तो सिर्फ रामेन पे है मैगी से। मैं इसी पे स्टक हूँ। सो हियर वी गाइस आर गोइंग बैक। स्टमक हो गया मेरा फुल। शी इज होल्डिंग हर स्टमक। पूरा फुल हो गया।
फिर भी पेट नहीं आ रहे हैं ना?
मेरा तो आ रहा है। So here we guys are done with the Korean restaurant.
Now we're going back to home.
Going back.
Not
What
really.
else? So thank you so much for watching our vlog number 2, and soon we will upload all the videos. Stay updated, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button,
Subscribe.
Hermione button.
बाल तो कितना लग रहे हैं?
मेरे तो अच्छा है।